Here are 25 interesting facts about the ocean. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, making it the planet's largest habitat. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, covering about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. The deepest point in the ocean is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, which reaches a depth of over 36,000 feet. The ocean is home to millions of species, many of which have yet to be discovered. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 1,400 miles. The oceans play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing and distributing heat on the globe. The oceans produce more than half of the world's oxygen through photosynthesis by phytoplankton. The ocean floor is covered in mountains, valleys, and other geological features similar to those found on land. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is the longest mountain range in the world, stretching over 10,000 miles beneath the Atlantic Ocean. The ocean is a major source of food, with over 3 billion people depending on it for their primary source of protein. The oceans are a major source of energy, with waves, tides, and currents being harnessed for renewable energy. The oceans are also a major source of minerals, including salt, magnesium, and potassium. The oceans are home to many unique and fascinating creatures, including whales, dolphins, sharks, and giant squid. The oceans are threatened by pollution, overfishing, climate change, and other human activities. Plastic pollution is a major problem in the oceans, with millions of tons of plastic waste entering the ocean each year. The oceans are also threatened by rising sea levels due to climate change, which can lead to coastal erosion and flooding. Coral reefs are particularly vulnerable to climate change, with rising ocean temperatures causing coral bleaching and death. Overfishing is a major problem in the oceans, with many species being harvested at unsustainable rates. The oceans play a crucial role in the global economy, with the shipping industry alone generating trillions of dollars in revenue each year. The oceans are also important for tourism, with millions of people visiting beaches and other coastal areas each year. The oceans are also important for scientific research, with many discoveries about the Earth's history and the origins of life being made in the oceans. The oceans have played a crucial role in human history, with early civilizations relying on the oceans for transportation, trade, and exploration. The oceans are also important for cultural and spiritual reasons, with many cultures having a deep connection to the sea. The oceans are a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians, with many works of art and literature being inspired by the sea. The oceans are a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. Here are 25 interesting facts about fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals that live in water and breathe using gills. There are over 30,000 species of fish, making them the most diverse group of vertebrates on the planet. The largest fish in the world is the whale shark, which can reach lengths of up to 40 feet. The smallest fish in the world is the Petacyprus progenetica, which is only about 0.3 inches long. Fish have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest groups of animals on the planet. Many fish species are carnivorous, but some are herbivorous or omnivorous. Fish play a crucial role in the food chain, serving as a primary food source for many other animals. Some fish species are highly migratory, traveling thousands of miles in the ocean to breed or feed. Fish are an important source of protein for humans, with many cultures relying heavily on fish as a primary food source. Fish are also an important source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have numerous health benefits for humans. Fish are often used in scientific research, particularly in the field of genetics and developmental biology. Fish have a variety of adaptations that allow them to survive in different environments, such as the ability to change color or camouflage themselves. Some fish species, such as electric eels, can generate electric currents to stun prey or deter predators. Some fish species, such as clownfish, have symbiotic relationships with other animals, such as sea anemones. Many fish species are threatened by overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. Some fish species, such as salmon, are anadromous, meaning they migrate up rivers to spawn in freshwater. Fish have a variety of reproductive strategies, including laying eggs, giving birth to live young, or even changing sex. Fish have a highly developed sensory system, including the ability to detect vibrations in the water and even electrical fields. Fish have a variety of defense mechanisms, including spines, venom, and even the ability to inflate their bodies to appear larger. Some fish species are highly intelligent, with some species demonstrating problem-solving abilities and even tool use. Fish have been an important part of human culture for millennia, with many myths and legends centered around fish. Fish are also an important part of the aquarium trade, with millions of people keeping fish as pets. Fish play a crucial role in maintaining the health of aquatic ecosystems, including regulating the flow of food and nutrients. Fish have played a significant role in evolution, with many terrestrial animals, including humans, having evolved from fish ancestors. Fish are an incredibly diverse and fascinating group of animals that continue to captivate and inspire people around the world. 1. Stingrays belong to the family Dasyatidae, comprising over 200 species found in oceans worldwide, primarily in shallow coastal waters. 2. They have flattened bodies with disc-shaped heads and elongated tails, which may have one or more venomous barbs for defense. 3. Stingrays are cartilaginous fish, related to sharks and skates, and they lack bones, instead having skeletons made of cartilage. 4. These marine creatures are known for their distinctive swimming motion, characterized by undulating movements of their large pectoral fins. 5. Stingrays are bottom dwellers, feeding on a variety of prey, including crustaceans, mollusks, and small fish. 6. They are typically nocturnal, hunting for food at night and resting during the day, buried in the sand or hiding under rocky crevices. 7. Stingrays have specialized sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which detect electrical signals emitted by potential prey and predators. 8. Some species of stingrays, such as the manta ray, are filter feeders, consuming plankton and small fish by straining them through their gill rakers. 9. Reproduction in stingrays is typically ovoviviparous, with females giving birth to live young, after the embryos develop inside egg capsules within the mother's body. 10. Stingray pups are born fully formed and capable of swimming and feeding shortly after birth. 11. Stingrays play a crucial role in marine ecosystems as both predators and prey, contributing to the balance of coastal food webs. 12. They are often preyed upon by larger predators such as sharks, dolphins, and large fish. 13. Stingrays have a peaceful disposition and usually only use their venomous barbs for defense when threatened or stepped on. 14. Despite their generally docile nature, stingray barb injuries can be painful and potentially dangerous due to the venom they inject. 15. Stingrays are popular attractions in marine aquariums and are sometimes kept in captivity for educational purposes. 16. Human activities, such as overfishing and habitat destruction, pose significant threats to stingray populations in many regions. 17. Conservation efforts aim to protect stingrays and their habitats through measures such as marine protected areas and sustainable fishing practices. 18. Some species of stingrays, such as the manta ray, are highly migratory and may travel long distances in search of food or suitable breeding grounds. 19. Stingrays have a unique reproductive strategy known as superfetation, where females can carry embryos at different stages of development simultaneously. 20. The largest species of stingray, the giant freshwater stingray, can grow up to 16 feet in length and weigh over 1,300 pounds. 1. Octopuses are cephalopods, belonging to the class Cephalopoda, along with squid and cuttlefish. 2. They are characterized by their 8 arms, which are lined with suckers and are highly flexible and dexterous. 3. Octopuses lack a rigid internal or external skeleton, allowing them to squeeze through tight spaces and manipulate objects with ease. 4. These intelligent marine creatures have well-developed brains and sophisticated nervous systems, capable of learning and problem-solving. 5. Octopuses are masters of camouflage, able to change both color and texture to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. 6. They have 3 hearts. One pumps blood through the body, while the other 2 pump blood to the gills for oxygenation. 7. Octopuses have a highly developed sense of touch, with specialized receptors in their suckers that allow them to taste and manipulate objects. 8. They are primarily solitary animals, although they may interact with other octopuses during mating or territorial disputes. 9. Reproduction in octopuses typically involves male transferring sperm packets, called spermatophores, to the female's mantle cavity using a modified arm called a hectocotylus. 10. After mating, female octopuses lay eggs in a sheltered location, where they guard and aerate them until they hatch. 11. Octopus eggs are often laid in clusters, and can number in the thousands, depending on the species. 12. Most octopuses are short-lived, with lifespans ranging from 1 to 3 years, although some deep-sea species may live longer. 13. They are carnivorous predators, feeding on a variety of prey, including crustaceans, fish, and mollusks. 14. Octopuses are capable of opening jars, solving puzzles, and exhibiting other complex behaviors indicative of high intelligence. 15. Some species of octopus, such as the mimic octopus and the coconut octopus, are known for their remarkable ability to mimic other animals and objects. 16. Octopuses are highly adaptable and can inhabit a wide range of marine environments, from shallow coastal waters to deep-sea trenches. 17. They play a vital role in marine ecosystems as both predators and prey, helping to regulate populations and maintain ecological balance. 18. Octopuses have a unique defense mechanism called ink sacs, which they can expel to create a dark cloud to confuse predators while they make their escape. 19. Research on octopuses has contributed to advancements in robotics, camouflage technology, and understanding of animal cognition and behavior. 20. Octopuses are capable of complex communication through visual displays, color changes, and body postures. 1. Squid are cephalopods belonging to the class Cephalopoda, which also includes octopuses and cuttlefish. 2. They have elongated bodies, 8 arms, and 2 longer tentacles equipped with suckers, used for capturing prey. 3. Squid are known for their ability to change color rapidly for camouflage and communication purposes. 4. These marine creatures are found in oceans worldwide, from shallow coastal waters to deep-sea environments. 5. Some species of squid, such as the giant squid and colossal squid, can grow to enormous sizes, with lengths exceeding 40 feet. 6. Squid have well-developed nervous systems and large brains relative to their body size. 7. They are highly efficient predators, using their keen senses and agility to hunt a variety of prey, including fish and crustaceans. 8. Squid propel themselves through the water by jet propulsion, expelling water from a muscular tube called a siphon. 9. Reproduction in squid typically involves internal fertilization, with males transferring sperm to females using a specialized arm called a hectocotylus. 10. After fertilization, female squid lay thousands of eggs and gelatinous egg masses, which are often attached to underwater structures or released into the open ocean. 11. Squid play a crucial role in marine ecosystems as both predators and prey, contributing to the balance of oceanic food webs. 12. They are an essential food source for many marine animals, including sharks, whales, dolphins, and seabirds. 13. Squid have complex behaviors, including social interactions and communication, through visual displays, body patterns, and chromatophore color changes. 14. Some species of squid, such as the Humboldt squid, exhibit aggressive behavior and may form large, coordinated hunting groups known as shoals. 15. Squid have a short lifespan, typically living for only 1 to 2 years, although some larger species may live longer. 16. Their rapid growth rate allows squid populations to replenish quickly, making them resilient to fluctuations in environmental conditions. 17. Squid are commercially valuable and are harvested for human consumption in many parts of the world, particularly in Asia and southern Europe. 18. Squid are also used as bait in commercial fishing and as a source of ink, which has been historically used for writing and art. 19. The ink produced by squid serves as a defense mechanism, allowing them to escape from predators by creating a dark cloud that obscures their escape route. 20. Squid have a unique respiratory system that includes gills and a specialized organ called the statocyst, which helps them maintain buoyancy and orientation in the water. 1. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals belonging to the cetacean order, which also includes whales and porpoises. 2. There are around 40 species of dolphins, ranging in size from the tiny Maui's dolphin, which grows to about 1.2 meters 4 feet, to the orca or killer whale, which can reach lengths of up to 9 meters 30 feet. 3. Dolphins are known for their playful behavior, often seen riding waves, leaping out of the water, and engaging in acrobatic displays. 4. They are found in oceans and seas worldwide, inhabiting both shallow coastal waters and deeper offshore regions. 5. Dolphins have streamlined bodies, allowing them to swim swiftly through the water, reaching speeds of up to 37 kilometers per hour 23 mph. 6. They are highly social animals, often forming pods that can range in size from a few individuals to hundreds. 7. Dolphins communicate with each other using a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body language, which helps them coordinate activities and navigate their environment. 8. Some species of dolphins, such as the bottlenose dolphin, are known to use tools, exhibit self-awareness, and display cultural behaviors. 9. Dolphins have excellent vision both above and below the water, allowing them to locate prey and communicate with other pod members. 10. They are carnivorous predators, feeding on a variety of fish, squid, and crustaceans, depending on their species and habitat. 11. Dolphins possess a sophisticated echolocation system, emitting high-frequency clicks that bounce off objects in their environment, helping them navigate, locate prey, and communicate. 12. Their brain-to-body mass ratio is second only to humans among mammals, indicating high levels of intelligence and cognitive abilities. 13. Dolphins are capable of forming strong bonds with both humans and other dolphins, displaying empathy and social behaviors similar to those observed in humans. 14. They are known to display altruistic behaviors such as helping injured or distressed individuals within their pod. 15. Dolphins are air-breathing mammals and must come to the surface regularly to breathe through their blowhole, located on top of their heads. 16. They are known for their long lifespans, with some species living up to 50 years or more in the wild. 17. Dolphin calves are typically born tail first to prevent drowning during the birthing process, and they are nursed by their mothers for several months to a few years, depending on the species. 18. Dolphins are highly adaptable animals, capable of thriving in a wide range of marine environments, from the frigid waters of the Arctic to the tropical waters of the Caribbean. 19. Some dolphin species, such as the Amazon River dolphin and the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, inhabit freshwater rivers and estuaries. 20. Dolphins play a crucial role in marine ecosystems as top predators, helping to maintain the balance of marine food webs. 1. Whale sharks Rhynchodontypus are the largest known fish species in the world. 2. They can reach lengths of up to 12 meters 40 feet or more. 3. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are filter feeders, mainly consuming plankton and small fish. 4. These gentle giants have distinctive patterning, with spots and stripes unique to each individual, like a fingerprint. 5. Whale sharks have wide mouths, which can reach up to 1.5 meters 5 feet wide, allowing them to filter large amounts of water. 6. Their diet consists primarily of plankton, including krill, small fish, and squid, which they filter through their gills. 7. They are found in warm oceans and seas around the world, typically in tropical and subtropical regions. 8. While they are often spotted near the water's surface, whale sharks can dive to depths of over 1,900 meters 6,200 feet. 9. These sharks are migratory, traveling long distances in search of food and suitable mating grounds. 10. Despite their massive size, whale sharks are known for their gentle and docile nature, posing little threat to humans. 11. The lifespan of whale sharks is estimated to be around 70 years or more. 12. They are ovoviviparous, meaning that embryos develop inside eggs within the mother's body until they hatch. 13. Whale sharks are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN, due to threats such as habitat loss, bycatch, and illegal fishing. 14. Despite their size, whale sharks have relatively small brains compared to their body size. 15. They are often accompanied by cleaner fish, such as remoras and pilotfish, which help remove parasites from their skin. 16. Despite their name, whale sharks are not whales. They are cartilaginous fish belonging to the order Oryctolobiformes. 17. These sharks have 5 pairs of gills located on the sides of their heads, which allow them to filter feed. 18. Whale sharks have a unique ability to maintain buoyancy in the water column by swallowing or releasing air. 19. They are solitary animals for the most part, although aggregations can occur in areas with abundant food. 20. Whale sharks play a vital role in marine ecosystems by helping regulate plankton populations. 21. The reproductive habits of whale sharks are still not fully understood, as mating and birthing have rarely been observed in the wild. 22. Despite their large size, whale sharks are not fast swimmers, typically cruising at speeds of around 3 to 5 kilometers per hour 9 to 3.1 miles per hour. 23. Researchers use photo identification to track and study individual whale sharks based on their unique spot patterns. 24. Whale sharks have a wide global distribution, with sightings reported in places like Australia, the Maldives, Mexico, the Philippines, and Belize. 25. Ecotourism centered around swimming with whale sharks has become increasingly popular, providing economic benefits while promoting conservation efforts. 25 interesting facts about whales. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, with some species reaching over 100 feet in length and weighing over 150 tons. There are over 80 species of whales, including toothed whales such as dolphins and orcas, and baleen whales such as humpbacks and blue whales. Whales are highly intelligent animals, with complex social behaviors and sophisticated communication skills. Some whale species, such as humpbacks, are known for their elaborate courtship rituals and mating songs. Whales are found in every ocean on Earth, from the warm waters of the tropics to the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic. Whales are long-lived animals, with some species living for over 100 years. Some whale species, such as the beluga whale, are born with a grayish coloration that fades to white as they age. Whales have a unique respiratory system that allows them to hold their breath for extended periods of time while diving. Whales have a thick layer of blubber that helps insulate them from the cold water and stores energy for long migrations. Some whale species, such as orcas and bottlenose dolphins, are highly social animals that live in tight-knit family groups. Whales are migratory animals, traveling long distances each year to feed, mate, and give birth. Whales have a highly developed sense of hearing, using echolocation to navigate and communicate with each other. Some whale species, such as the sperm whale, have the largest brains of any animal on Earth. Whales have a unique feeding strategy, with baleen whales using their bristly mouth plates to filter small prey from the water. Some whale species, such as the right whale, were nearly hunted to extinction in the past for their oil, meat, and baleen. Some whale species, such as the humpback whale, are known for their acrobatic displays, including breaching and tail slapping. Some whale species, such as the gray whale, migrate over 10,000 miles each year, making it one of the longest migrations of any mammal. Whales are highly vocal animals, using a variety of sounds to communicate with each other, including clicks, whistles, and even songs. Some whale species, such as the bowhead whale, can break through several inches of ice to breathe. Whales have a unique respiratory system that allows them to exchange up to 90% of the air in their lungs with each breath. Whales have a layer of hair on their bodies, although it is often so fine that it is barely visible. Some whale species, such as the narwhal, have a long, spiraled tusk that they use for sensing and communication. Whales have been known to cooperate with other species, such as dolphins and humans, for mutual benefit. Whales are an important part of many indigenous cultures, with some groups relying on them for food, oil, and other resources. 25 interesting facts about sharks. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, making them one of the oldest groups of vertebrates on the planet. There are over 500 species of sharks, ranging in size from the small dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. Sharks are found in every ocean on Earth, from the shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. Sharks have a highly developed sensory system, including the ability to detect electrical fields in the water and even the heartbeat of their prey. Most shark species are carnivorous, with some species being apex predators in their ecosystems. Sharks have a variety of feeding strategies, including filter feeding, suction feeding, and even biting off chunks of prey. Contrary to popular belief, not all sharks are dangerous to humans, and attacks on humans are rare. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems by regulating the populations of their prey. Some shark species are highly migratory, traveling thousands of miles across ocean basins to feed or breed. Sharks have a unique reproductive strategy, with some species laying eggs while others give birth to live young. Some shark species, such as hammerheads, have highly developed social behaviors and can form complex social groups. Shark populations are declining globally due to overfishing, habitat loss, and other human impacts. Shark finning, the practice of removing a shark's fins and discarding the rest of the body, is a major threat to shark populations. Many shark species are listed as endangered or threatened, with some populations declining by over 90%. Sharks have a unique immune system that scientists are studying to develop new medical treatments for humans. Some shark species, such as the Greenland shark, can live for hundreds of years, making them among the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Sharks have a variety of adaptations to survive in different environments, including the ability to regulate their body temperature. Some shark species, such as the cookie-cutter shark, have specialized hunting strategies that allow them to take on much larger prey. Sharks have played a significant role in human culture, with many myths and legends centered around these fascinating creatures. Sharks are often portrayed as fearsome predators in popular media, but in reality, they are complex and diverse animals that deserve our respect and protection. Some shark species, such as the thresher shark, have unique physical features like long, whip-like tails that they use to stun prey. Some shark species, such as the goblin shark, have unusual physical features that allow them to thrive in the deep sea.